Hi, I'm Mugan. I'm actually attending Penguin's internal marketing. In the beginning, when I attended this course, I was actually very skeptical because I've attended so many courses in my years of experience. Very skeptical indeed. And the first day, there was nothing much for me to talk about because of my age and experience. But as the day grazed by, I started to get a little bit more, and finally today being the third day, I'm at the peak actually. The course has been good, and I've seen more challenges coming to me, and I feel I'm at the peak now, exactly at the peak now. And I don't say the course is easy, by the way. It is very challenging for people of my age, and certainly I hope to become somebody very soon. And with that, I would like to say, Bing Joon, thank you very much. Although I paid for it, I still say thank you very much.